In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an email as important in Gmail using Google Workspace for Business. This is a crucial skill for anyone managing a high volume of emails and needing to prioritize certain messages over others. So let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible for you. To begin, we'll need to head to Google. You can open your preferred web browser and type in google.com. Once there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the option to sign in. If you are not already logged into your Google account, simply click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. Log in using your email and password to get started. After successfully signing in, you will notice a grid of dots, typically found just next to your profile picture on the top right. Click on this grid and a menu will drop down revealing several Google apps. Look for Gmail and click it to be taken directly to your Gmail inbox. Once you are in your Gmail dashboard, it's time to identify the email you wish to mark as important. Scroll through your list of emails and locate the one you'd like to prioritize. Click on it to open the full message. This is a crucial step as we need to have the email open to access the necessary functions for tagging it as important. Now, with the email open, direct your focus to the series of icons typically found at the top of the email message. Among these icons is a small tag icon, often illustrated as a tag or label. This tag icon is what allows you to flag your email. A simple click on this icon will present you with an option to either label or mark the email based on your preferences. By selecting either label or important, depending on your needs, you're effectively telling Gmail to pay extra attention to this email. Emails marked as important might be highlighted differently in your inbox, and could even be used to influence the priority of notifications and sorting rules. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully marked an email as important in Gmail using Google Workspace for Business. This simple yet powerful feature helps maintain better organization in your inbox, ensuring essential emails are never overlooked. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps streamline your email management. If you found this guide useful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Google Workspace products. Until next time, happy emailing.